everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some easy and cute puff hairstyles that you can try at home. These styles are simple, beautiful and perfect for everywhere. So if you are ready, let's get started. If your hair keeps getting tangled, divide into 4 sections while it's still damp and braid or twist each section. Then whenever you are ready, take them out and your hair will look nicely stretched and defined, look like this. Keep watching until the end and don't forget to subscribe. Love you.
Time can move so strange. That don't mean my mind has changed. You know I want it. You know I want it. To be your lover, to be your partner. I took you for granted, lost the moment, and I let your love slip away. Tell me about your past. I wanna know everything I've been missing. Always hoped our paths would cross again, my darling. Time can move so strange. That don't mean my mind has changed. You know I want it. You know I want it. To be your lover, to be your partner. I took you for granted, lost the moment, and I let your love slip away. Yeah, 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 Time can move so strange. That don't mean my mind has changed. You know I want it. You know I want it. To be your lover, to be your partner. Took you for granted, lost the moment, and I let your love slip away. Yeah, 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 yeah,
And that is for today, easy puff hairstyles. I hope you enjoyed the video and found a hairstyle you'd love to try. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more hair videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.